going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Looks like we're kind of repeating what me and Trent did not too long ago. You guys saw that Caddo Lake video out here in a rainstorm. Got the rain gear. We're doing the same thing today. This rain does not want to leave us alone, so we're gonna kind of try to simulate or do something better than we did last time. Go out here, get on some big fish, and see if they're biting good. I got a good feeling about today, guys. A really good feeling. So you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Let me know you were here. Even if you ain't got nothing to say, let me know you were here and that you watched the video. I really do appreciate it. Let's get into it. All right, let's get this party started. There we go. Solid one, huh? Hey! Oh!
Finally broke the ice.
Let's go.
Golly. Only took about 12 casts on the same spot. It also, I just seen a wake and my bait just quit chattering. Didn't even feel the hit.
What?
Jackfish. Oh, jackaroo. Oh, Jackie. Come on, Jackie. Jackie boy.
Maybe figure something out with that color there.
Hmm. Open your mouth. Come on, open up. Biggin? Nice fish.
My bad, guys. I didn't have my camera on, but oh, there we go. My first fish. Oh, Trent got him a pickerel. I caught this one. First one. Might be figuring something out here, or we might just be entering that bite window. One of the two. Either way, we beat the skunk.
Yeah, there's fish blowing up out here in these pads. It's not a whole bunch of blow-ups, but there are blow-ups. Buzz bait.
He said buzz bait.
Need a buzz bait. Because that fish come out chasing whenever I started reeling it. Rookie mistake, guys. I didn't have the camera running. Eating old Willie-Rooney. Staying on a fish. Whereas if you run out to the main lake, you hit a fish, you stay within 100 yards of hitting the fish.
That's a good one. That's a good one. All right.
Try that again.
Heck yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have to fix my jacket. Twice now my jacket's covered up the camera.
I think you may have figured something out.
I'm trying, boss, I'm trying. Yeah, if you get a hard thump, don't worry about casting back at it. It's going to be a pickerel. Because that bass, all I seen was a swirl.
Mm-hmm.
Never felt the hit.
Yeah, that's how they're hitting today. Hey, got him.
You got him on?
Yep.
big is he? Is he the net or?
That's a good one. We're stuck on that lily pad. There we go. Heck yeah.
There you go, sir.
All right.
Been caught before.
I caught him last week. Let's go, baby. Check that one out, guys. Some solid fish on the old swim jig. I knew if I kept throwing it, eventually it'd happen for me. No, you're good. You're barely in there. All right, guys, here we go. Let this baby go.
Turn my drag. Oh, got him. Oh, I got him.
We'll take it. We'll take it. That was a good one, too.
That yellow that. Come on, rookie.
Go. Right at the boat, too.
That's a pretty fish right there.
Ooh, right at the boat again. You gonna grab him? Or you gonna flip?
Like another thing. Never give up.
Heck yeah. It's another solid one there. Yeah, it is.
She might be over the slot.
Yeah. Yeah. Boop.
That's a little.
Way to finish it off strong.